Hi, John here from Infection Prevention Ireland, and in this short video I want to talk to you about TECcare Daily. TECcare Daily is a very effective cleaner detergent. In this box it contains 36 of these sachets. Each of these sachets contains 30 millilitres of the TECcare Daily cleaner detergent. When that is mixed with 1 litre of water, you get 1 litre of a very effective, environmentally friendly, natural cleaner and detergent. It contains no chemicals and is powered by Mother Nature. Now, TECcare Daily makes up the third part of the eShield disinfection and cleaning protocol, where the first part is TECcare Ultra as the disinfectant, sporicidal cleaner, and then you use TECcare Control. So TECcare Daily makes up the cleaning element of your cleaning and disinfection protocol, and it supports TECcare Ultra and TECcare Control because, as I said, it contains the same adjuvant. Now, TECcare Daily can be used in a hand sprayer such as this when it's mixed, or you can also use it in your Victory electrostatic handheld sprayer or your backpack. It's entirely up to yourself. So that's all I have to say really about TECcare Daily. It's a very cost-effective detergent cleaner, and again, it's powered by Mother Nature with no chemicals whatsoever, just all totally natural products. Thank you.